All right.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Ready?
You
Are we filming, dude? All right.
We ready?
Yep. Yeah. Okay.
This is gonna be awesome. Wait, hold on. I gotta hold this. I gotta put on my gloves.
Oh, here. You want me to hold it for you?
Yeah, I gotta put on my gloves.
Is it on?
Yes. How are you feeling about this, kids?
This is the official Dudes on Hockey trip into the Blizzard.
Yes, go ahead.
The Blizzard of 2010.
All right.
Here we go.
And we're off.
We're off to see the Blizzard. Oh yeah. Oh, looks like a banner.
We're still filming. Dude, we made it to the subway station.
Dude, we made it. We're in the...
Hold on, I'm putting on a glove.
Oh.
Here we are, dude. We made it.
Dude, we did it live.
We did it live.
We went and walked in the blizzard of December.
We're at the Marcy Avenue stop, the subway. It is snowing.
We saw a lot of people couldn't drive their cars because the weather's so bad. But here we are, dude. This is what we do for steak, and we do the same thing for hockey.
That's right. This is how Sharks fans roll, dude. This is how we roll. You can see we got snow drifts about a foot deep. Nice and brisk, probably about 20 degrees out here. I'm gonna get under the awning now. Dude, where are we?
Dude, we're in Times Square or the Antarctic. It's hard to know the difference.
Look at this. Look at this. This is insane. Not a lot of people out. Sunday night. Crazy winds. I'd say like 12 to 18 inch drifts.
Yeah.
Dude, we're taking pictures of each other. This is insane. This is insane. There's people making snow angels over there. There's like Japanese tourists making snow angels. This is insane. Holy